channel. My name is Megan if you don't know me already, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you everything I bought on the Superdrug buy one get one free deal. And let me tell you, I got some steals and deals. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd love it if you consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So you know you have like a little bit of a problem when 2 boxes arrive from just one order. It's bad. But I've got some deals, so everything was on sale, so buy one get one free. For the purpose of this video, I've just crammed it out. I've opened it all up, taken it all out of the bubble wrap, and then shoved it all into one big box. Just don't even know where to start. Let's just pick something out. So one of the things I bought was the e.l.f. Instant Brow Pencil. I'm always going through brow pencils, so I'm always looking to try new ones. So I've never tried this before, but it looks pretty good. I got this in the shade taupe. I do like to do my eyebrows quite a bit darker than my actual hair. So this should have been £3. And then, do you know, I don't know how they work the prices out. I haven't quite got that yet. But if you do know, let me know down below, because I'm really curious. Like, some of the things are like £1 something, but then like the same thing in a different colour is like £2 something. So I don't know, but I'll just tell you the prices of each thing and savings and whatnot. So this should have been £3, but I got it for £1.24 in the sale, so I'm super excited to give this a go. So the next thing I got was from I Heart Revolution, and it's the coconut baking powder. Looks like this. You get such a big tub. I've heard so many good things about this, so that's why I really wanted to try it. I'm not much of a baker usually, because they have like combo to like dry skin. Oh, it's huge. How much product do you get in here? 22 grams. It's not bad. That's alright. And you get a little puff with it. Don't normally use that. Oh, I see. It's pretty deceiving though, that, isn't it? Like, if you can see that, only about half of it is actually powder. But it's still good. I'm excited to use this. Does it smell? Oh, I can't smell it without the little thing, taking the little finger off. And I don't want to take the little finger off yet. I imagine it smells like coconuts. But I mean, they have like a peach one, and they have something else too. Peach and something else. I'll put it here if I remember. Next! So let's move on to lipsticks. I've got the Maybelline Matte Ink, the Superstay Matte Ink. I got picked up 3 of these. I've got the shade Creator. Let's take a look. This looks very bright. If you are new to my channel, I'm pretty poor at swatching, but swatch doesn't determine how well it's gonna work on the lips. But so that one is the shade Creator. Now I'm swatching the shade Lover. That's what Lover looks like. And this is the shade Inspirer. Oh, I like that shade. That's a bit of me, and that's what it looks like right there. So these are usually $9.99 per lipstick, but I actually got them for £5.39. So I picked up 4 different primers, and the first one I picked up is the Loreal Infallible Drops. I've wanted to try this for so long and just never purchased it. So this is a brightening primer, and it's like a little droplet thing. I've seen quite a few people use this, and like they're like here with the bottle, so they must like it. Must be alright. I'll give it a go. And it's usually £9.99 and I again got it for £5.39. Best time to try stuff when they're on sale, I think. The next primer that I picked up was from MUA, and this is the Pro Base Banana Blurring Primer. So I actually enjoy watching a YouTuber called Makeup with Alex Kate, and she uses this quite a bit in her videos, so I thought I would give it a try while it's on sale. And this should have been £4, but it was actually £2.16, so amazing. So the third primer that I actually picked up was again inspired by Makeup with Alex Kate. I'll link her channel down below and one of my favourite videos from her as well, because if you enjoy watching me, then you will definitely enjoy watching her. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer, and this is what it looks like right here. Just swatch a primer. Who does that? Who even swatches primer? And this is usually £8 and I paid £3.28 for it. And the final primer that I picked up is the NYX Honey Do Me Up, and it looks like this. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more like, I don't know. And you get 22ml of product in here. Let's see what the consistency's like. Just like honey. Let's put some here. Oh, it's like a spade doofer. Like a scooper spade. Oh, it smells nice. Like really sweet. It smells really nice. This should have been £15 and I got it for £8.08p. Bargain. The next thing I got was the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Spray Mist. So I was really drawn to this because I seen Make Me Up Mister use this and she raves about it. Her skin looks super glowing with this, so shall we just give it a little go? Why not? It has such a nice spritzer. I'm glowing. And this was supposed to be £9.99, but I got it for £5.39. Told you I got some steals and deals. So I'm actually one of Make Me Up Miss's Patreons, and in that group we have like a group chat. It's great. I love it. Everybody has been raving on about these Barry M High Vis eyeliners, so I just had to get some. I had to get some, but I've actually got this purple one on my lower lash line today. Sadly though, when I opened it, I managed to like break it already, but it's probably nothing to do with the product, it probably is just me. So I'll just swatch the purple, and that one's in the shade Dangerous. Let's go with the green one. This is in Strobe Light. Let's take the red, and this is in False Alarm. That False Alarm one's very good. They just like, it just went on the eyes so nice. Like really like creamy and pigmented. And this is the blue one. That one is in the shade Caution. And this is the lighter blue one. This is in the shade Glow Stick. Oh, I like that blue right there. Finally, the pink one is in the shade Riot. Oh, I like the pink one. I love pink. That's what the pink one looked like. So yeah, these are usually £3.99 each, and I got them for £1.26 to £2.15, just with the pricing, because I don't know how they work it out. So next I picked up some lip liners. I really needed some lip liners in my collection. Like, I literally only have like a few, and they don't always work, and they don't always work with the lipstick colours that I want them to work with. So I thought, what better opportunity but to pick some up. So I did pick up some of the MUA Makeup Academy ones. I've got a few different, I've got a few different shades. These should have been £1.50, but I actually got them for 81p. 81p. So this one is in the shade Romance, so I'll swatch here. Romance. This is what the little tip looks like, and then this is what it actually swatched like. That one's pretty good matte. This one, which is the one that I actually wanted to wear with the lipstick I've gotten today, because I thought it would match quite well. But so this is in the shade Love Letter. So it's the second one down, and that's what the little tip looks like. So don't always look at the tip. You've got one in the shade Glam, and that's them next to each other. And I've got the shade Fancy. That's what they both look like. Oh, I have another eyeliner actually. Wasn't quite done with the eyeliner before, but this is the collection one, and I just really needed a white eyeliner pencil. I've been playing around with the Beauty Bay Brights palette so much, and I just really needed a white eyeliner. Yeah, I really like it. And that was supposed to be £1.99 and it was 1.7p. So we've picked up the NYX glitter primer. Again, this is like YouTuber recommendations, so I decided to pick it up. I'm so excited to actually give this a go. And this was supposed to be £8 and I got it for £4.31. So the next thing I got were two concealers, and I usually like to use the Revolution Concealing Divine, and I like the Maybelline Anti-Age one. I love the Too Faced Bonus Way one, but that's pricey. So I went with the e.l.f. one, and this is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one's not the hydrating one. This one's the hydrating one, not hydrating. So this I think will be perfect under my eyes for highlighting, and I definitely need something hydrating under my eyes because under my eyes get so dry. And I've got this in the shade Fur Beige, and this is usually £5, but I got it for £2.5p. And I've got another one in the shade Tan Walnut, and I think this is going to be really nice to like bronze contour kind of thing on my skin tone. And I get like a lot of like blemishes like around here and around here, so I've never actually tried contouring with concealer before, and I really want to try it to give me a bit more coverage in those areas that I'm super self-conscious about. I promise, I'm nearly done, promise. So next I picked up the Barry M Glitter Cream palette, and I picked up this one. I think there's a few different ones that you can actually get, but this one really intrigued me, and this is what it looks like. So it is like multi-purpose, it's like eye safe, you can use it on your face, body. I do have a little bit of this shade right here, like on the top of my little halo eye. I'm not a massive fan of this eye look, so let me know what you think down below, because I'm not having a good eyeshadow day, sadly. So I think the idea of like the cream is that you don't need glitter primer, you don't need primer, you don't need glitter glue. You can literally just put it on your eyes, and that's exactly what I did. So I'll just swatch this then. And that is what that one looks like. So this is the green one, and this is the blue one. Green, blue, green, blue. And this is usually £5.99, but I actually only paid £1.91 for it, so I think that's amazing for 6 different glitters. So Barry M, they're killing it. So the next two things that I picked up, well, my final two things are from Revolution, and I got the neon palettes. I got this one that's Party Vibes, and this one that is Not a Dream. As soon as these came out, I was like, they look so nice, but I just didn't pull the trigger. But as soon as Superdrug had the buy one get one free, I was like, take my money. These are usually £6, but I got them for £3.24. This is what the Not a Dream looks like. Let's see, what shade should we swatch? This one intrigues me. This one also intrigues me. And a shimmer. Let's go with this shimmer. Oh, I'm going to swatch them. Didn't think about that. Yeah, pretty. A Party Vibes palette. Oh, this is fun. That's a fun looking palette. You can get super creative with that, even though it's just 9 shades, but you can get so creative with it. I think I'm gonna have to go with this middle shade here. Let's go with this bluish shade because it looks different. This one. Oh, nice. Purple. Bluey grey purple. And then that really white. I'm so excited to try that. So altogether my haul was a disgusting £75.75, but I actually saved £77.12p. My whole order should have been £152.87 and I paid £75.75 and free delivery. That is how I'm justifying it. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube video, and make sure you hit the like button if you did enjoy this video, and I'd love it if you considered subscribing to my YouTube channel with the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Leave me a comment down below if you bought anything in the buy one get one free Superdrug sale, because I'm super curious to know what your favourites are too, or the things that you want to try out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!